Design Studio. For those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reed, and I thought I'd jump on today and wish everybody a very happy new year for 2019. We also have a double celebration here because it is actually my channel's birthday. I did create the channel back in 2012 and I put up a couple of little videos, but I didn't get serious with YouTube until this time last year in January of 2018. So basically I just wanted to come on here and say thank you to everybody for all the love, support and encouragement that you have been giving me over the last 12 months, and I'm looking forward to the next 12 months because the Darvanalee Design Studio has a massive year installed for you. We have tutorials, book reviews, pattern reviews, out and abouts, and of course our block of the month, which is starting next week. So in saying all that, I thought I'd put a little video together of the year that was after this intro, and that way you can sit back, relax and see what we got up to in 2018. And you just never know, you might see some of the creations that you have shared with us over in our Facebook group. Happy New Year everybody, and welcome to 2018. My name's Nicole and this is Darvanalee Design Studio. Okay, so I'm just popping in today to have... Hi and welcome to DD's Block of the Month. This is block 1 in a series of 12. There's just a couple little things that you need to do before we get started. There's a link below this video if you head to DD's first block of the month. This block is called Goose in a Pond. The first one is your cutting. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Darvanalee Design Studio. For those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reed and welcome to my channel. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching that little year that was video. Do please join me again for 2019. As I said, I have a massive year installed for you. We have a lot of tutorials. We'll be covering some quilting basics for those beginners that are joining us now. And to all the people that have subscribed this year to my channel, thank you so much for all the encouragement, the comments, the likes, the shares and everything. If you know someone that would really enjoy our channel, please do share this video with them, and so they can join both us here on YouTube and also on our Facebook group. As always, when I come to the end of a video, I always say, if you like this video today, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below, tell us what you thought, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel, and the little bell icon beside it, hit that, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reed for Darvanalee Design Studio. Happy New Year everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.